YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make your text big in Character AI. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Character AI in your desired browser. Then after, open a chat box. Then over here you can you should type hashtag and the text you want in bold, and also what you can do is italic like this. Your text is gonna be bigger than the usual text. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.